in definition of Laplace transform, then properties of Laplace transform, then Laplace transform of some elementary functions and problems, right? A definition of Laplace transform says if f of t is a function of t where t takes only positive values, then Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by L of f of t and is defined by L of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Since the answer of this integration will be function of s, L of f of t can also be denoted by capital F of s. Next comes properties. Properties, we have seen three properties of Laplace transform. First one, linearity property, then change of scale property, and third one, shifting for shifting property. And after properties, next comes Laplace transform of elementary functions. L of k, k by s, L of e power at, 1 by s minus a, L of e power minus at, 1 by s plus a, L of sin at, a by s square plus a square, L of cos at, s by s square plus a square, L of sin h at, a by s square minus a square, L of cos h at, s by s square minus a square, L of t to the power n, which is gamma n plus 1 by n factorial, s to the power n plus 1, when n is a fraction. L of t power n is equal to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1, when n is a positive integer, okay. So, you should know proof of all these. They are important for 2 marks, okay. And after using Laplace transform of elementary functions, we did a few problems. And next comes Laplace transform of, it is next heading, which is another model problem. Laplace transform of the following. Find the Laplace transform of the following. Product of two functions given everywhere. Product of two. You know linearity property. What is linearity property? L of f1 of t plus or minus L of f of t plus or minus g of t, which is L of f of t plus or minus L of g of t. In case if it is L of f of t into g of t, it cannot be written as L of f of t into L of g of t. So here you cannot write it as L of e power minus t into L of sin 2t. You cannot write, okay. So then how can we do this kind of problem? Listen here, we have to use first shifting property. What is first shifting property? When L of f of t is f of s, L of e power minus at into f of t is capital F of s plus a, which is first shifting property. When we have product of two functions and one is exponential, this is the property, okay. And this can be rewritten as f of s, capital F of s, where s approaches s plus a. When s takes s plus a, f of s become f of s plus a. We know f of s, which is L of f of t. L of f of t, s tend to s plus a. Hence, what can we say? If it is L of e power minus at into f of t, it is L of f of t, s tend to s plus a. That's all. Find L of f of t answer. Finally, replace s by s plus a. If you have minus a, it should be plus a. If you have plus a, it should be minus a. Okay. See, it is first shifting property. So, when we have product of two functions and one is exponential, see, you have to find Laplace transform of the function. Finally, replace s by s plus a, right here. Let us see problem. So, we know L being e power minus at here, L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t, s tend to s plus a, which is first shifting property, okay. See, e power a is here 1, a is 1 here. So, f of t is sin 2t here. F of t is sin 2t, a is 1. So, L of sin 2t, s tend to s plus 1, right. We know L of sin 2t is 2 by, a by s square plus a square. Replace s by s plus 1, it is over, okay. See, second problem, second problem with e power t into t cube. So, we have to write e power a t into f of t, because a is plus 1 here, okay, which is L of f of t, s approaches s minus a. When s approaches s minus a, you will get this answer. When s takes s minus a. See, f of t is t cube. We know L of t cube, n is positive integer here. 3 factorial by s to the power 4. 3 factorial is 6. It is 6. Replace s by s minus 1. Okay. And similarly, see, we have other problems. Cos h2t. It is cos h2t. Okay, which is similar problem. So, I need not explain. Next comes, see, e power 2t into sine cube t, product of two functions where one is exponential, which is with the e to the power at, right? So this is the formula for shifting theorem or for shifting property. So our f of t is sine cube t, a is 2 here, okay? We know what is sine cube theta. There is no, you cannot write directly Laplace transformation, use sine cube theta formula. Then take 1 by 4 which is common for both terms, take outside. Now take Laplace transform. Laplace transform. And Durga, you listen here how I have written whole divided by everywhere, okay? See? So it is L of 3 into sin t minus L of sin 3t, right? See, we know formula for the terms. It is a by s square plus a square. Here a is 1, but we have 3 outside, so 3 by. If you want, you take out. If you want, you can simplify, but it is enough. It is enough, okay? You need not take LCM, do simplification, etc. It is enough, okay? And a similar problem. It is similar problem. You have to find L of cos square 2t. In place of theta, we have 2t. Just replace s and you will get answer, okay? Next it is a L of e by e power t into t plus the whole square. T plus 3 whole square, right? F of t is t plus 3 whole square. A is 1. So use a plus b whole square formula. Take Laplace transform for each term. Find answer. After finding answer, replace s by. Listen here. You should know after finding answer, you have to replace s by s minus 1. So you should know how I have written. For all the terms, s should be replaced by s minus 1. Wherever s should be replaced by s minus 1. Okay. Next it is f of t sin 3t cos 2t. A is 4 here. So a is 4 here, right? So s should be a minus 4 here. Right, a is 4 here. E power minus 80. E power minus 40, a is 4 here. S should be replaced by s plus a. S plus 4. And hence see, we know what is sin a cos b formula. And hence take 1 by 2 outside. Take Laplace transform separately for the terms. After writing Laplace transform, replace wherever s you have, replace s plus 4. So this square bracket is must, right? So it is for all the terms. To denote, s should be replaced by s plus 4 for all the terms of s inside this, okay? So listen here. So which completes, if you want you simplify more, but it is enough, okay? So I have given answers for 10th, 11th, 12th problem. And we have next heading that we shall see in the next video. So you should know the very important thing is, see, after finding Laplace transform, you should replace s by s plus 1. That's why this square bracket, or you can use any kind of bracket, but it is must, okay? So you should, many will write like this. Listen here. You should write like this. I don't want to tell that. S tends to s approach, s tends to s plus 1, right? S tends to s plus 1. If you want, you simplify the term, otherwise leave it, okay? So which complete this model, okay? This, dear students, next comes next model problems in Laplace transform. So you know now, let us recall just the headings. Definition of Laplace transform, then properties of Laplace transform, then Laplace transform of elementary functions, then problems using the simple problems, using this Laplace transform of elementary functions formula, right? Simple problems. Next comes problems based on first shifting property. And now comes, see, Laplace transform of t into f of t. So when we have product of two functions and one is t, when we have product of two functions and one is e power at or e power minus at, we have to use first shifting property. When we have product of two functions and when one is t or t square or t cube, etc., then you have to use this formula, okay? You can call it as derivative of Laplace transform or Laplace transform of t into f of t, okay? So the formula is, when we have odd powers of t, we have negative sign. When we have even powers of t, we have positive sign. So you should differentiate once if you have t. You should differentiate twice if you have t square. And you should differentiate thrice if you have t cube, and so on, okay? So when we have product of two functions, we cannot write it as product of the Laplace transform of first into Laplace transform of second. And some of you will do. That's why I'm telling you again and again. You cannot write like how we write in linearity property, okay? So when we have product of two functions, there are cases. If one of the function is exponential, we should use first shifting property. If one of the function is t or t square, etc., you have to use this method, okay? and it is L of t into f of t is minus d by ds of L of f of t. So why should we differentiate with respect to s? Because L of f of t is function of s. We know it must be differentiated with respect to s. That's why we have ds here. Okay. So let us do problem. I have here 14, 15, 16 problems. See, first problem, L of t into cos at. Product of two functions where one is t. Okay. When we have product of two functions, one is t, let us write formula once. In place of f of t, we have cos at. Write L of cos at. Differentiate once, u by v method. Simplify, you will meet answer. Okay. Which is first problem. Second problem, it is L of t square into sin 2t. We know what is L of t square formula. It is positive sign being power 2. See, it is our f of t is sin 2t. We know what is L of sin 2t, a by s square plus a square. You have to differentiate twice. Let us differentiate first the term by using u by v method. If you know, you can do it in another way also. Take the term to numerator, differentiate it. Okay. Then use again you differentiate this, and listen here. Here when you do first time differentiation, you have to simplify, no problem. When you do second time differentiation, definitely a term can be taken common, so that simplification will be easy. When you do two times differentiation, in the second time of differentiation, here you can see, here I have s square plus 4, here s square plus 4 whole square. I can take s square plus 4 a term common, so that which will get cancelled with the term in denominator, right? So this is the way of simplification when you differentiate second time. Okay. Now you simplify. I think I need not explain you this simplification, right? And similar problems third and fourth. That's why I have given answer. And fifth problem, listen here. It is product of three functions, right? We know when it is product of two functions and one is t. This is the formula. When we have product of three functions, let us listen here. Let us write for t the rule L of t into f of t. Consider these product of two terms as f of t. Now use first shifting property. L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t s tend to s plus a. Right? Directly we write, because now we are familiar with this, right? L of sin t where s tend to s plus 1. See what is L of sin t. Replace s by s plus 1. And see, differentiate it once. You will get answer. And you may think, so whether can we write it as e power minus t into sin t? You can do. First you write rule for e power minus t. L of, you can do it this also. See, L of e power minus t into sin t. What is the rule for L of e power minus t? L of f of t s tend to, finally s tends to s plus 1. Now you can use this rule. Product of two functions where one is t. You have to differentiate d by ds of L of sin t, and finally we should replace, finally, which is very important. Okay. After doing all process, finally we do s plus 1. Replace s by s plus 1. Write L of sin t formula, differentiate, and then replace s by s plus 1, which is also right. Okay. You can do either this method or this method. Both are right. Okay. When we have product of 3, it is possible, right? Product of 3 functions again. But you see it is t square, okay? So you have to differentiate it twice. Our f of t is also product of 2 functions, where we use our first shifting property. L of f of t s tend to s minus a, right? So see, now replace s by, you should know, here we should replace s by s minus 2. So you should not do after differentiation, you cannot replace s by s minus 2. You please try to understand. Here you have to replace. Have you understood the difference here? Difference here? Here this is a problem. This is the problem. After finding Laplace transform of sin t, you should replace s by s plus 1, then you should differentiate. But here it is different, right? Different. See, for everything s should be replaced by s plus 1. So after differentiation, you have to replace s by s plus 1. You see the difference, okay? Difference. So if you try problem, definitely you can find difference, okay? So here you see, first you replace s by s minus 2. Then, since we need to differentiate twice, if it is once, I will not simplify denominator. We have to differentiate the term twice. Hence, let us use a minus b whole square formula, simplify. So that you can use now u by v method. U by v method, right? And hence, simplify again numerator, because we need to differentiate it again. Now use u by v method. I told you already, right? When you differentiate twice, you have to take a term common so that simplification will be easy. Now multiplication. You should do multiplication carefully with the positive negative signs carefully, okay? So simplify, you will meet answer, okay? Just very multiplication, first term into second term, etc. Okay? Again the model, product of two function where one is t square, which is L of 2 to the power t is our, f of t is 2 power t. We know there is no direct formula for L of 2 power t. We have done already this problem in the first heading. E power log 2 power t. We know log a power b is b log a. You write it as log 2 into t. This bracket is must, otherwise you will consider as log 2t. So log 2 whole thing into t is different from log 2t, okay? So this bracket is must. See, e power log 2 into t, that is e power at form, which is L of e power at is 1 by s minus a. Differentiate it twice, you will meet answer, okay? So other problems are similar, that's why I have given answer. Very simple it is. And when we have product of two functions and the one is t, this is the method, okay? Here we have cos t into sin h2t. Little bit lengthy, okay? See, it is, we know sin h2t is e power at minus e power minus at whole divided by 2, right? Let us take 1 by 2 outside. We have negative sign outside. Multiply cos t with this term and this term. Use first shifting property. Now we have got answer. Replace the values for s, right? Now differentiate this, right? Both by u by v method. This is your answer. First term answer minus second term answer, which completes this heading, okay?